guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So I hope everyone is doing well, and I know I haven't done a voiceover in a couple of videos, but I was just trying something new with some ASMR and some music. Hope you guys enjoy that and check out those previous videos of mine. Now today I have a special review from Madam Glam, which I am so excited to see their products and see how they work, their gel polishes. So I received this beautiful kit or a special kit personally for me. I was able to pick out 5 gel polishes, and they sent me this mini LED lamp. It looks great. The heat from it was really good, so hopefully it works well. Now, these gel polishes, I picked a couple of nudes and pinks because those are my favorite. So, and they also included a base coat and a tops coat. So let's check these out. Now I picked XOXO, Food Coma. Then I also picked out, what is this, Pivot? And then Summer Coming. And last but not least, I picked Always Late. So here are my nails already done, and now I am just going to add some base coat before I put on the gel polishes. And the consistency of the base coat is good. It's not too thin and runny, so that's a plus. And now I'm just going to place it on each nail and then cure it in their mini LED lamp twice, because I believe once, when you touch the button once, it's 35 seconds. So just for precaution, I like to do it twice, and I'm going to do it for 70 seconds. Now for my pinky finger, I'm going to do Food Coma. And guys, I was so in love with this nudish, it's like a nude, tan color, or beige, maybe beige color. It is so pretty, and I don't know if you can tell, but look how it glides on. It's just so perfect. I love the consistency, and it's so opaque. This is only one coat, guys, and I'm only going to do one coat for each nail, just so you can see how opaque and consistent it is. But yeah, guys, look at that. That is one coat and such a beautiful color. I cannot wait to use these for my nail sets. Next is Always Late, which I'm going to do for my ring finger. And this is a pretty It's like brownish with pink tints in it. I don't know how to say like what kind of color this is. Maybe it's not like maroon because it's definitely way lighter than that. But look at that. Oh my god, it looks brownish in the camera, but it's more of a purplish pinkish in real life. Guys, I am so in love with this consistency. As you can see, it's not thin, it's not running all over the place. And like I said, I'm only going to be doing one coat, you know, so you guys can see how opaque these colors truly are. I'm so in love, guys. So next, for the for the middle finger, I'm going to do Summer Coming. And this is a nice pink color. Now, I picked these colors because I wanted something for my base. It was so difficult to find. It's so difficult to find colors for the base when you're doing like nail art and you do like clear nails like I have on now, and you want something that's opaque that you can do with just one coat so it doesn't bulk up the nail, and you know, have like natural colors to clients' skin complexions. These guys are amazing. Like I said, this pink hair will go with so many different complexions. I love it. So I definitely recommend these so far. It's definitely at the top of my list. Look at that. The consistency is great. And this is Summer Cummings. Love that pink color. Next is Xoxo. And I saw this on their website and I liked it because it was a sheer tan color, which you can do so much with. This is also a great base, especially if you're looking for something that is not opaque and that you just want something as a background because you don't want to show the natural nail. This is a great gel polish to use, and I definitely will be using this in the future for a lot of my nail sets, so stay tuned for that. And last but not least is Pivot. And I heard that this is a great color for all skin tones and a base. So let's see how this comes out. So far it looks good. And let's see. Oh yeah, wow, look at that. Now guys, as you can see from my skin complexion, I am like a, you know, tannish brown, my skin tone. So this goes great, you know, dealing with diversity and different skin tones. You want to be able to get gel polishes that go with each individual skin tone, and this looks like it can go with a lot of the skin tones from light skin to dark skin. This is great. This might be my favorite one out of the whole bunch, honestly. I love it. Yeah, I think that might be my favorite one. So I decided to do a little design with Pivot, and I'm just going to do a little design on the pinky and the pointer finger, and it's just like a little cross, like diagonal cross with some dots. Nothing too fancy, just something simple. I just wanted to see how it would work if I used it on nail art, and it did really great. So that's what I'm just doing here. So after I am done, now I am just placing on their top coat. And this is also a good consistency, not too thin, which is great. And I just want to say I'm so in love with this product. The gel polishes are all one coat only, and look how opaque they are. It's so beautiful. And now I just want to talk about the brand. So they are 100% vegan, cruelty free. They have like over 800 different shades of gel polishes, which is great. I believe this company has been, it started up in New York City since 2014, which is good. So they have some, experience when it comes to making gel polishes. And guys, I believe the thumb is my favorite color, Pivot. I am so in love with this color. And like I said, this is a really good brand. I'm 100% loving the vegan and the cruelty free. I love that, for gel polishes. And the top coat does have a tacky layer, so that's what you see me doing there, just wiping that off. And now I'm just placing the gel polishes to the nails so you can see which one is which. And guys, again, I definitely recommend this brand. The colors are amazing. You can check their website out and get a 30% coupon. It will be down below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I always say this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think about this company.